So, andito din yung cousin ko and I'm gonna meet him kasi pabalik na siya ng Australia. And baka next year na ulit kami magkita or the following years pa.
Hello!
Say hi!
Hi! Di pinapayagan sa Maynila pero pinapayagan sa Bangkok.
I think yung big girl thing is pinapayagan na kami mag-stroll around sa ibang bansa. And kami lang ngayon, nagpunta kami ng December kasi naghahanap kami ng outfit for tomorrow. Pero ubos na yung pera ko.
We're in Bangkok, Thailand!
Sawadee-ka! We're in Bangkok! Hello guys, I'm Hannah Balahaja. I'm 19 years old and this will be my first official full vlog. Hopefully that I will be uploading. And tonight we have a dinner sa cruise. And this is my fit. It's an all black and then silver flats. And I don't know if it's a good idea na yung first ever intro ko is here sa bathroom. But I'm getting ready right now. We're now here sa Asiatic River Pier, if I'm not mistaken, kasi we're gonna have dinner sa cruise. This is my second time here actually. So we're now back here in our hotel and I just took a shower and we're going to have a midnight snack. We're waiting for our food. Nagpa-deliver kami via Grab. And then after that, we're gonna sleep kasi tomorrow is gonna be a long day for us. So yeah, I'll just insert like a short clips of us eating and then see you guys tomorrow. Say good night.
Good night.
We got our order. Good morning. Today is our first official full day here in Thailand and today we're going to Pattaya.
It's there.
Oh yeah.
苏联总理是说设计是内容和电力大佬都有中间告诉他这类价格，我们
Tapos lang namin mag-Nong Nook show and the elephant show and some unexpected things happen. I'll be inserting some clips. It's super fun. It's our day 3 here in Thailand and kakatapos lang namin mag-floating market and it's so hot, right?
Like that. Super sweet Thai tea.
Hey guys, andito ako sa lapag ng bed dahil naka-outside clothes pa ako. I'm gonna shower. We just settled here sa hotel. It's been such a long, crazy day kasi sobrang init. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog today because sobrang init and half of the day is mostly nasa car lang din kami. We went to floating market and after that, we went back to Bangkok and skip many places na dapat pupuntahan namin dahil nga sobrang init. And then, after that, we went straight to Big C para mag-shopping na ng konti to take the advantage of our transport dahil tomorrow wala na kaming transport. Tomorrow is our full free day and then after ng sobrang init, like the whole day, bigla namang lakas ng ulan. So, when we went out of Big C, it was raining so hard and parang may baha pa nga dun sa gilid eh. And then, after all that things that happened, sobrang crazy, like the worst thing that ever happened to me in Bangkok is may naiwan akong bag sa van namin, which is an LV bag that I was supposed to wear for my picture taking for this outfit. I keep on messaging our driver. Sinabi na wala daw dun, and I showed pictures of what it looks like, and sabi ko paki-double check because I'm so sure that it's still there, that it's there, and I brought it with me kanina. And yeah, i-double check daw niya ulit tomorrow sa pinakalikod kasi sabi ko, feeling ko may nakita ko dun sa likod. So hopefully nandun siya because my mom's gonna get so mad. Morning is our day for here in Thailand, which means it's also our last night. And today, medyo late kami gumising dahil para mas mahaba yung namin dahil for the past 2 days naman is 7:30 to 8 a.m. kami gumigising. And ngayon, since kami na lang naman and we're just gonna shopping and bili ng pasalubong, medyo nagpa-late na kami. And we plan to start the day ng 9 a.m. na. And ngayon, I'm wearing shades, not for fashion purposes, but because sobrang tumaba na yung face ko. Like, ang dami ko kasing kinakain. Though I have no regrets kasi ang sasarap naman ng mga pagkain talaga dito. Like, every minute, every second, every hour, gutom ako. And here's just my simple outfit. And I made sure to be comfy this time para hindi masakit sa paa. Since ngayon wala kaming transpo, puro lakad kami. Life update, masakit na yung paa ko. Ngayon nagpapahinga lang ako dito sa Platinum Food Court. And my Thai milk tea na I can drink this like 3 times a day. And medyo madami namin na pamili actually here sa Platinum Mall. Pero may mga pupuntahan pa kami. So we're planning to drop this off sa hotel. Tatawid lang naman kami. What do you name her? Hi, Cherry! Here sa Central World. Hinahanap ko yung Sephora kasi i-check ko if meron available na shade ko here dito sa NARS. Since yun yung pot concealer ko and paubos na siya. And hahanapin ko din yung Blue Elephant kasi gusto ko magtingin ng shades. Update, nag-check na ako here sa NARS pero wala naman sila ng mga shade ko. So that's so sad kasi sold out both ng shade. And now I'm here sa Blue Elephant. Got to go! I just got back here sa hotel and since last date na nga namin, nag-last minute shopping kami today hanggang sa ngayon 3 p.m. And hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog since taranta na everywhere and yun nga, last minute na lang. So right now, we're just waiting for our van transfer going to the airport and waiting for the others kasi nasa Central Road pa sila. Kasi gusto na mag-tuk-tuk going back to the hotel for one last time. Well, kami naman, naglakad na lang kami from Central Road to our hotel. Since it's walking distance naman, kaya naman siya. Nararamdaman ko na yung sakit ng katawan ko and pagod for the trip, for the whole trip. And yeah, I'll see you in the airport in a while. Now we're here sa airport and it's currently 8:52 and boarding namin is at 11 p.m. pa. So, medyo mahaba-haba pa yung time na intayin namin. But I'll be ending the vlog here. Bye! Thank you!
Bye-bye!